I'm going to uninstall Winrar. To uninstall any programs, go for left to bottom, type add or remove. Now choose the whichever program you wanted to remove. Let me remove Winrar. In my system already Winrar is there. I will be uninstalling. Click on uninstall. You also try uninstalling if you have. Winrar software I am uninstalling. It's got uninstalled. In the same location, look for edit place. In the same location, look for edit place. I'm going to uninstall even edit place also. These are the installed programs in my system. Installed softwares in my system. I'm trying to uninstall. Two softwares I have uninstalled. Come on, guys. Winrar got uninstalled edit place also. JDK, it was not an installed program. It was not an installed program. I need to remove the configuration. Let me remove the configuration for JDK. Go to the Windows Explorer, Window key and E key. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, Properties, right click on this PC, go to Properties, type env, edit environment variables. You can see the path. I configured JDK information inside a path. I am removing the same. Go to the edit, select the last one, click on delete. Click on delete. Click OK in all the windows. Select the path, click on edit, select the last one, click on delete. Click OK in all the windows. Yes, JDK also removed in my system. My system is completely free from these three softwares. Free from these three softwares. We need to download all these three softwares. For downloading purpose, I will be creating one folder in my system. In the D drive, I created January batch softwares. If you don't have this folder, try creating this folder. Guys, I created a folder, January batch softwares. Inside this folder, I need to download all the softwares already available in my system. I'm removing this. In the demo sessions, I downloaded all these softwares. I'm removing. Please observe. Completely all the softwares got removed. We need to download. While downloading in the browser, we need to set one simple, come on, we need to set one simple configuration. Go to the browser hand, top right side, 3 vertical bars. Top right 3 vertical bars. Settings. Advanced. Downloads. You can see ask to where while saving. Come on. This should be enabled. This should be enabled. Enable this. Enable this. If we enable this, downloads can be selected our own location. Come on. If you are disabling this, by default, all will be saving here. All will be downloading here. Every software will be getting downloaded here. So try enabling this. Yes, I have enabled. Now browser will be asking the location. Browser will be asking the location. Browser is asking the location. Come on, come on. Whenever you download, it will ask the location. Always try enabling. Always try enabling. Yes, I have enabled. Now we are ready to download. Let's see the first software downloading. Winrar. Everybody, please ensure everybody. It should be enabled. It should be enabled. Yes, it's enabled. Go for Winrar. win-rar.com. Click on download. Come little down. You can see download. win-rar.com. win-rar.com. Download. Choose the location. We have already created a folder in the D drive with a name as January batch softwares. Go inside, save. While downloading, you can see left to bottom, automatically one tab is created. Left to bottom, automatically one tab is created. WinZip is downloaded. That is Winrar. Winrar software got downloaded. Everybody, come to the second one. Edit please. Please go to the website editplace.com. Everybody crystal clear. Guys, editplace.com. Download edit place. Everybody, download edit place. Click on download edit place. Click on download edit place. Now you can see download edit place. Choose the same location, whichever folder you have already created. Whichever folder you have already created. Yes. You can see left to bottom there is a tab. Left to bottom there is a tab. Edit place downloading got over. Both are simple softwares. Whenever you are trying to download, in the left to bottom, automatically one tab will be created. Edit place software, downloading got over it. These two are very simple. Let's move to the third one. JDK download. JDK download. Go to oracle.com. As soon as you go to oracle.com, in the top you can see one advertisement banner. You are getting this advertisement banner every time. Advertisement banner. So you can just close this one. You can see right top there is a cross mark. Click on this. Now go to products. Click on products. You can see Java. Click on products and you can see Java. Click on download Java. Click on download Java. Come to the bottom. You can see there are three tabs: Linux, Mac and Windows. Click on Windows. Click on Windows. Under Windows, you can see compressed archive. Compressed archive. Compressed archive. Yes. Click on this compressed archive. This is the link you have to click. We required JDK compressed archive. That too for Windows. Click on Windows, go for compressed archive. So observe my mouse movement, click on this. Choose the same location to download. Again one left to bottom, one tab will be creating. You can see. So it may take 5-6 minutes time. I'll give 10 minutes in your system. It may take more than that. Take 10 minutes time and try downloading everybody JDK. I'll show the procedure once again. Let it download, guys, everybody. Oracle.com products, Java, download Java, Windows tab, so click on this particular link. Downloading will be started. In my system also it is showing 13-14 minutes. Let me wait. In your systems also definitely it may take more time. Let us have a crystal clear way of downloading and installation. Go to the up arrow, any up arrow, everybody. It will take you to the show in folder. Show in folder. 3 softwares available. Try installing all these 3 softwares. First one, I'll install Winrar. Simple, double click, keep going next. Everybody double click. In my system there is a firewall. Click on run. Click on yes. Install. No need of changes, all default things. No need of changes, all default things. Click OK. Click on done. Winrar installation is done. Simple software. Once Winrar installed, you will be getting automatically this type of window. Close this window. Winrar got installed. Now go for second one. Edit place. Double click on edit place. Click on run. Here also no need of changing anything. All default settings. Click S. Click on yes. Click OK. In my system, as it is already available, it may be giving some error. Let me retry once again. This is very simple. It has to. As edit place is opened, edit place installation, very simple. Click on accept. Click on yes. Start to copy. Click OK. Edit place and the Winrar installations, very simple. We just followed next. The third one is JDK. Guys, everybody. You can see JDK 17. JDK 17. Everybody, right click on it. Right click on JDK 17. Extract to. Right click on it and extract to. Everybody select this option. Extract to option. Extract to option. You will be getting a folder. Guys, this is a JDK unzipped bundle. This is the software. No installation here. Extracting only. Zip file we are extracting. To extract a zip file, we required a RAR. We already installed a RAR. Use the RAR software. Extract it into folder. We extracted into folder. Go inside. There is one more folder here. Go inside. There are several folders available here. Go inside bin folder. Guys, go inside a bin folder. There are several commands available. We need to run these commands. By default, how operating system can come to know locations of these commands. Let me open one command prompt. Come to the left to bottom here. Type here to search. Left to bottom, type here to search. CMD. Press enter. I am triggering Java C. You can see Java. How Operating system can identify the commands. All the commands available in this location. Everybody, you can check it out in the bottom. All these commands available. Java command, Java C command, Java C, Java. These commands are available. These commands are available inside a bin folder. This is the location. This location should be specified to operating system to run Java C command and Java command. In order to run Java C command and Java command. In order to run Java C command and Java command. In order to run Java C command and Java command. Java C and Java, you need to update this one. Control C, everybody. Open a command prompt. Opening a command prompt is very simple. Come to the left bottom, type here to search CMD. CMD. Trigger Java C command. Sorry, before that, set path is equal to. I'm specifying the location. Right click, whatever you copied. Now you can trigger Java C command. Let me find out the version. Absolutely possible. This is one way of setting a path. This way of setting a path visible to the current command prompt. This way of setting a path visible to the current command prompt. This way of path visible to the current command prompt. Now you can able to trigger Java C command, Java command. This setting will not be visible to other command prompts. Let me close this. Open a new command prompt. CMD. Trigger Java C command with a version. Trigger a Java command with a version. Not able to recognize. Now set path. Right click and paste. Press enter. Trigger Java C command. Java command. Observe. Setting a path for one command prompt. Setting a path for one command prompt. I'll close this. I'll open one more command prompt. Come to left here. Type here to search CMD. Press enter. Java C. No. Java. No. Set a path. Set space. Path is equal to. Set space. Path is equal to. Java C hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Come on. Java C hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Please observe everybody. I'm not closing this command prompt. I'm opening another command prompt. It is a new command prompt. Again, it won't be visible. Again, you need to set a path. You can also mention path as a uppercase. It's a case insensitive. Path is equal to. Now you can trigger Java C command with a version Java with a version. What we understood, everybody observe clearly, we need to specify our Java environment to the operating system. Our Java environment should be specified to the operating system. For that purpose, we have to use path environment variable. We are using path environment variable. Control C. Bin location is a Java environment. Bin location containing JDK commands. Bin location containing Java C command. Bin location containing JDK commands. Copy the path. Control C. Copy the path of CMD. Come to the left to bottom, search here CMD. Enter. Trigger Java C with a version. You'll get error. Java with a version. You'll get error. What we had to do? We need to set a path. Come on. Right click and paste. Now you can trigger Java C. Environment variable we updated. Operating system knows environment. Operating system knows environment. So now it is absolutely able to run. But only the thing is, it is visible to current command prompt. It is visible to only current command prompt. It is not visible to other command prompts. Anjali, your net connection is very slow. Please improve. You need to set a path. Path is equal to right click and paste. Now trigger Java C command. Java C command. You can see setting a path to a particular command prompt by using set command. Set command is used in order to specify Java environment. We can specify through path that can be set through set command. Path is equal to right click. Set path is equal to, we already set a path. Java C hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Guys, what you understood? If you are setting a path by using set command, If you are setting a path by using set command, it will be visible only for the current command prompt. It will be visible only to the current command prompt. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It will not be visible to other command prompts. I repeat once again, everybody, command prompt voice. Command prompt voice. If you open a new command prompt, it will not be available. Come on. Only for one command prompt, local to the command prompt. Every software should know what is local, what is global. This is a local to current command prompt, local to current command prompt, local to current command prompt. Please observe. Local to current command prompt, local to current command prompt. Local to current command prompt. Local. Local to current command prompt. I don't want to set local to the current command prompt. I want to set globally. I want to set globally. Globally, we can set in two different ways. Globally, we can set in two different ways. One is for the current user, other is for all the users. Globally, one for current user, for one user, second one for all the users. We need to set only for one user, not for all the users. That can be done. One user, all users. One user or all users. One user or all users. Go to this PC, right click. This PC, right click, properties. You can see advanced system settings, or you can see my screen. Either advanced system settings or my screen. Either advanced system settings or my screens. Type env. Type env. Edit environment variables. This is for one user. The second one is for all the users. If you want to set environment variable for all the users, select the second one. For one user, select the first one. Globally, we can set a path. We can set a path in two different ways. Globally, we can set a path in two different ways. Globally, you can set a path in two different ways. Globally, you can set a path in two different ways. I'm selecting the first one. User level. Not for all the users. Go for user level. Select a path. Edit environment variables. Edit environment variables. Select a path. Select a path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Click on edit. Go to the new. Go to the new. In the bottom, there is a blank line. Specify complete JDK bin folder location. Specify complete JDK bin folder location. Complete JDK bin folder location. Complete JDK bin folder location. Click OK. OK in all the windows. Close any command prompts if at all already open. Now open a command prompt. CMD. Open a command prompt. CMD. Now trigger Java C command with a version. Java command with a version. Globally, we set a path in the my computer. Globally, we set a path in the my PC. Globally, we set a path in my PC. Globally, we set a path in my PC. Globally, we set a path in my computer. Globally. Let me open another command prompt, CMD. Trigger Java C command with a version. Trigger Java command with a version. Let me open one more command prompt. Let me trigger Java C command with a version. Let me trigger Java command with a version. Let me close all the command prompts. Open a new command prompt. Let me trigger Java C command with a version. Let me trigger Java command with a version. Let me close the command prompt. Let us remove path in the my computer. Let me show one more time. Come on. Everybody globally setting a path. One user or for multiple users. Right click on PC, go to properties, env, edit environment variables, edit environment variables, select a path, select a path, click on edit, click on edit, select the last one. I'm removing, guys. In the globally, I have removed the path. Now open command prompt. Trigger Java Z. Trigger Java. So we removed path in the my computer. Let me add one more time. How we can add? Always go to your softwares. In the D drive, Java, January batch softwares, JDK, extracted bundle, JDK folder, binary files folder. This is the Java environment. This should be updated to the operating system. Java environment. It should be updated with the operating system. Copy this path, Control C, Control C. Control C. Then go to the my computer, that is my PC. Go to properties. ENV. Edit environment variables. Edit environment variables. Select a path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Go to the new. In the blank line, lost blank line, Control V. Click OK. Click OK in all the windows. Click OK in all the windows. Open CMD. Trigger Java C command with a version. Java command with a version. Environment is ready. There is one more way, that is setting environment variables for all the users of same system, that we don't require. Why? Because losing a security. Don't do that one. We want to set path environment variable for current user. In my system, current user is a Dell. For Dell user, I'm setting. For the Dell user, I'm setting. Why do we require a path environment variable? Everybody? Why do we require path environment variable? You may be knowing like an environment. What is meant by environment? Environment. Some kind of configuration. Environment. Some kind of configuration. Some kind of surroundings is called as an environment. Path is fixed name, fixed environment variable name. Environment. Some people are calling like a ENV. Environment variable. Path. Why do we require path environment variable? To specify your software environment? Come on. Why do we require path environment variable? Why do we require path environment variable? To specify our software environment to the operating system or command window. In order to specify our software environment, our software location, our software information, to the operating system, that is to the command window. Why do we require a path? To specify our software environment location, path environment location to the operating system, to the command window, to the operating system. There are three ways to set a path. There are three ways to set a path. One is command prompt wise, command window wise, command prompt wise. Second one, for a particular user, for one user, only for one user. Third one, for all users, for all valid users inside your system, whatever valid users are there, try setting. But I'm not showing third way. It's very dangerous, losing security. Chances are there corrupting operating system itself. Don't follow the third one for every user. For every user, if you set anything that is using by operating system internally for its own configuration, if you do any changes wrongly, then operating system will be corrupting. That is why try going through first two approaches. First one is command prompt wise, that is set command. Second one for one user. This is about a path. There is one command in case of environment variables. Everybody, let me go for ECHO percentage path percentage. Echo is a command. Used for reading environment variable values. You can see our environment variable last one, JDK bin. Echo space percentage path percentage. Echo space percentage path percentage. This is all about path environment variable. Everybody should know. In the interviews, I can say like more than 50% of interviews, they're asking, after installing JDK, what we supposed to do? After installing JDK, what is the configuration we have to do? After installing JDK, how we can able to run javac command successfully. So this is path environment variable. You need to set a path environment variable explicitly. In case of Python, installer itself is setting a path environment variable automatically. In case of Python, installer, while installing, installer itself setting a path automatically. But in Java, you need to set manually. Totally three ways are there. One is command prompt wise, that is through set command. Second one, for one user, that is for current user. Third one, for all the users. Don't set for all the users. Let me show. Right click on this PC, properties. If you type env, you can see the last one. Edit the system environment variables. This is for all the users. I'm not going to show this one. There may be a chance of committing wrongly. We are not going to use this one. It will be losing security. At the same time, if you are not doing properly, operating system may not be working properly. This is all about path environment variable. My sincere advice, experiment 10-15 times. Remove, add, check again and again. Understand the set command, understand the path variable, understand the echo command, understand command wise locally, that is command prompt wise locally and globally in my computer. This PC, edit environment variables. Everybody should do again and again.